Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Slack Technologies Inc. And the chart pattern is indeed very sharp on the upside. So the way the stock is moving is indeed very impressive, because what has happened, if you look, there is a cup and handle sort of pattern, what we can say here. But rather talking about the patterns, some people ask me about the patterns, but I stick with the trading ranges or the trend, because it's easy to understand. Not everybody are familiar with the chart patterns and all, so it would be better for me if I just stick to the trends, because that would be easy to understand here. And if you look at this range, so what we could see here are pretty simple trend lines which the stock has formed. Okay, so understand this. So right now your stock is at the resistance level, so your support will come at around 30 odd dollars, and below which the next support will come at around 27, and then we have 25 on the downside. On the upside, we have our first target or resistance where the stock currently lies is at around 34.65 or 34.7, and then we have this one, then we have 36, and we have 40 odd dollars. So this $40 is going to be a crucial resistance, because crossing 40 on the upside will give you much more fillip in the time to come, because it does uh, what does happen beyond 40, that the same trend will repeat, so the probability is there. So once the stock crosses and sustain beyond 40 odd dollars, so if you look at this trend, so the length of this trend is at around 46%. So there is a possibility that once the stock sustain above 40 odd dollars, it could give the same amount of, or it will probably show us the same amount of price action on the upside, and beyond 40 the next target will come at around 58 odd dollars. So this is what you can see, but that will take probably some time, and it requires, what it does require is some crucial resistance level to cross by. And one more thing, or another way through which you can uh, find out this thing, is simply using trend lines. Okay, so if you just make a trend line like this, you can see that how statistically correlated this is. The way with which I have calculated is by using this length. Okay, so the percentage, and if you are using the trend line, you can have this similar sort of price target. So rather than, right now what we can do, rather than using an exact price, what we could probably do is using a range. So the range could be in between 50 to 60 odd dollars. Okay, so I'm just expanding the limit, so that there is no possibility that I could be damn sure about that exact point where the future price should go. So there is no one such point, so it can go in between 50 to 62 odd dollars, but statistically you can use 54 or 58, whatever the price range. And looking at the chart pattern, there is a possibility that the big probability is it will go and retest 40. So that's the big thing. So let the stock price sustain above 40, 41 odd dollars, then you are probably thinking about 50 and 62 odd dollars. So that's a conditional thing, but it will definitely retest. The probability is very high that it will retest the higher end of the range, but you should know about your support level as well, because the stock is trading at the resistance level. So either it should break above the resistance level or falls within the range and go towards the lower side or the support end of the range. So there are multiple probabilities we should know, which you should know and taken care of. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.